Okay, let's rationalize exponents today. I have this equation that x to the power of x root of x equals to x root of x raised to the power of x. Rationalize first. X to the power of x times x to the power of 1 over 2 is equals to, apply laws of exponents, x to the power of x times x to the power of 1 over 2 times x. Okay, my x's don't look nice. Then we apply the laws of exponents here. X times x times x to the power of 1 over 2, that's x to the power of 3 over 2 equals to, and x to the power of x times x to the power of 1 over 2x is an x to the power of 3 over 2x. Now, since the bases are the same, we equate the exponents. So x3 over 2 to the power of 3 over 2 is equals to e3 over 2x. Now let's divide by x on both sides. This and this will divide, and then you're left with a x3 over 2 minus 1 equals to 3 over 2. Then this is x to the power of 1 over 2 equals to 3 over 2. Now we can either square or change this to a square root. So we can simply say x to the power of 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to a 3 over 2 raised to the power of 2, and x is equals to 9 over 4. Thank you.